I know it's Pokemon Tuesday today, but I was also busy watching the Fortnite live event yesterday until this happened.
Cartooning Club says, awesome hat allier, sending some love from Canada. Thank you so much, buddy. Really appreciate it.
Cartooning Club, how to drill. Thank you for the 20, sending love from Canada. Thanks for entertaining us. No worries, my man.
Big thanks to Ali and Lockman for the shout out. I'm looking forward to the Season 3 launch tomorrow because there's going to be a ton of characters to draw. So until then, let's get on with today's lesson, how to draw Caterpie from Pokemon. Let's get started in the center of our page with the bottom edge of the antenna. So we start over on the left side and draw a half circle. Curve down in the middle, and then just pull that back up on the right. Now from the ends, we're going to draw two straight angled lines going up and in. Let's start with the left. Go up with a straight line to right about there. Go to the right side, and we'll do the same thing. And then we'll branch the antennas going out towards the side. Let's start back on the left. We're going to draw a straight angled line going up and out. Go to the right. And then we'll round out the tips of the antenna with another half circle. Starting back on the left, just going to round this out and pull that back in. And do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to pull this back down and in towards the center, but we're going to round this out. Let's start back on the left. Come down with a straight angled line towards the middle. Just going to round this out and then go up and out towards the right. Now with that antenna in place, we're going to move down and draw a large oval for the center of the mouth. Starting from the bottom, we're going to step down, start with that oval. Going out towards the left, going to round out the bottom, go up on the right side, and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to draw a smaller oval on the inside. We're going to push it all the way down towards the bottom. So let's start on the left side. Just going to leave a gap along the top, come over towards the right, down, and then pull that in. Now let's draw on the outside of the head. We're going to start on the left side, just underneath the antenna. We're going to curve out the head and come down towards the side. Now we pull this down and in, and then pull it up towards the side of the mouth. Round out the head, come down. I'm just going to round this out and pull that up. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to line this up, curve out the head, come down, round towards the bottom, and then pull that up on the inside. And then we'll see the top of the head in between the antenna. Let's start on the left side. Just going to curve up and then back down. Now we're going to add two large ovals on the side of the head for the eyes. Let's start on the left side, just underneath the antenna. Curve in, come down, round out the bottom, and then pull that back up on the outside. Let's go over to the right. Coming in, down, rounding out the eye, and pulling that up and out. Let's trace the eyes along the inside. Starting from the top, we'll step down. Just going to follow that same oval, going all the way around towards the bottom, and then pull that back up. At the top of each eye, we're going to add a small circle for a highlight. So let's start on the left side. Going all the way around, back up. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll go in and fill the eyes in black. Now there's two sets of round hands underneath the head. So let's start with the top set. Starting over on the left side, we're going to draw a circle. Starting from the top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's line this up on the right side and draw that same size circle. Then we'll close off the bottom section of the body. Starting on the left side, curve down, and then up. Now we move to the outside of the hand at the very top, curve the body going out, and then pull that in behind the mouth. So line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And then the top section of the body will get tucked in underneath the head. Let's start on the left side, curve the body going out, rounding out the body, and then pulling that in toward the side of the hand. I'm going to separate the side of the body, starting from this curve at the bottom, curve in and then down. And we'll fill these inside areas in black. And then we'll add a half circle trim on the outside of the body. Let's start on the left, curve in, and then back out. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. I'm going to trace these curves on the outside. So stepping down, just follow that same curve going back out. Now we're going to start layering the sections of the body in underneath. Let's start with the hands first. So we're going to step down and draw another circle. Starting from the top on the left, go all the way down, and then back up. Line this up on the right. Let's close off the bottom of the body, starting on the left, curve down, and then up. Now we're going to do the same thing we did along the top. So stepping down on the side of the hand, curve out, and just pull that up underneath. Now this section of the body is going to be a little bit smaller than the one on top. So we're going to step out, curve the body going out, down, and then we'll pull that in. And we'll add a smaller half circle trim on the outside, starting on the left. And then we'll trace these along the outside. Now at this point, we want to shift the third section of the body over towards the left. So let's start on the side of the body. We're drawing an oval. We're going to go out, come down towards the bottom. I'm just going to pull that up on the right side, just underneath that second section. Let's add another oval over on the left side. Starting from this point, go up, go down. Now I'm just going to pull that up underneath. Now the last two sections are going to get smaller as you go up towards the tail. So let's start at the top, draw a circle, going up towards the top, down, and then pull that in. And then we'll add a smaller one along the top. Starting on the left side, draw a small circle, going up, and then down. Now for the tail, we're going to start at the very top and draw a small half circle, going up, and then down. And then the tip of the tail looks almost like a baseball bat. So we start on the left side, curve out, and up. We'll round up the tip of the tail. I'm going to come down along the right side. Down, and then just pull that in. Now let's add some detail to the lower sections of the body. Starting on the outside of this hand, curve down, and then out. Let's add a trim along this section. We're going to step up, curve down, and then up. And then we're going to add a small oval on the side of the body. Let's start on the left side, come down, up, and then back down, and then we'll trace this out on the inside. And then we're going to draw another oval on the outside of each section. Let's start with the inside. Draw a small oval. Add a smaller oval on the outside. And then one more along the top. And then we'll trace these ovals along the inside. We're also going to add a trim along the bottom of the body. Starting on the left, curve down, and then just pull that up on the right. Let's move over towards the left and do the same thing. And curve down, and pull that in. And that's pretty much it. There's Caterpie from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.